Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on your Android phone, it can be super frustrating, especially when you are streaming, gaming, or on a call. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem on any Android device. So yes, let's get started. First step is to forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Swipe down your screen to view your quick settings panel, and here tap on your network. Tap on this setting icon and here tap forget reconnect by entering the password again. This often fixes minor connection glitches. Second step is to turn off battery saver or power saving mode. Battery saver sometimes disconnects Wi-Fi to save power, so swipe down from the top and make sure battery saver is turned off. Third step is to turn off adaptive Wi-Fi or network switching. Some phones automatically switch to mobile data if Wi-Fi is weak, so disable options like switch to mobile data or adaptive Wi-Fi. Fourth step is to reset network settings. If the problem continues, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called general management and tap on it. Scroll down and go to reset. Again scroll down and here tap reset mobile network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Fifth step is to restart router or update phone software because sometimes the issue is not with your phone but with the router. Restart your router and also check for any software updates in your phone. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on your Android phone. If this worked for you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.